Hello guys, today we're going to play kinetic sand with my son. Rafie, look here. Rafie. Okay, let's request what's inside the kinetic sand, okay? Yeah, what is this? What is this? Okay, can you put it inside this? Put it. Okay, you put it. Okay, find the car. Come on, find your toys. Use that. You found it? Where? Okay. What's inside it? Where? You found it? You found it? Yes, you found it. What is this? Sonic. Sonic. Say it. Sonic. What color is this? What color is this? Okay, bury it. Okay.
Watch Christopher sleep. That doesn't sound like fun. Come on.
Take this.
Let's go back. No, we
Okay,
can't.
over here. Put it here. Rafie, put it here.
Good morning, Christopher.
Put it here.
Want to hear our awesome song?
Take this. Okay, good job.
Strawberry pies. Each day's a surprise. Mostly it's friends I love. It is awesome, but it's missing something like ukulele music. Yes, can I hear what your ukulele?
Okay, fill in here. Fill the sand here.
What happened?
Do it like this.
Tell her the
Okay?
truth.
Take this. Take this. Put in here.
Did you come up
No,
with your
don't do
own
like that.
song? I wouldn't
Like this. Okay.
Oh no!
Behind you. Not behind. Under the sand. Under the sand. Under the sand. Look. Cut it. Use this.